And now I'm going across directly to Jammu and Kashmir because the delimitation panel, the commission to redraw the boundaries ahead of possible elections, addressing a press briefing.
In its judgment held that delimitation is not a mere mathematical exercise we can't do on the tabletop. It must reflect the political aspiration of a society bound by geography and different topography. As per Section 14(4) of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, it is very clear that 24 seats in the Legislative Assembly of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir shall remain vacant and shall not be taken into account for reckoning the total membership of the Assembly, and the said area and the seats shall be excluded in delimiting the territorial constituencies as provided under Part 5 of this Act. Section 61 of the Jammu and Kashmir Act 2019 also specifies the number of seats to be reserved for the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes in the Legislative Assembly having regard to the relevant proposed provisions of the Constitution. This is the first time under this Act that the seats will have to be provided to the scheduled tribes also. In determining these matters, the Commission shall have regard to the following provision, namely, all the constituencies shall be single-member constituencies. All constituencies shall, as far as practicable, be geographically compact areas. And in delimiting them, regard shall have to be made to physical features as distinct boundaries of the administrative units, facilities of communication, and convenience to the public, meaning thereby that the delimitation will have to be done on the census of 2011, and having regard to the census, the four factors will also have to be considered, which I have mentioned just now. While the current commission was constituted on 6th March 2020, the third member, Mr. S.K. Sharma, the State Election Commissioner, could join only on December 2020. And also COVID situation delayed some work of the Delimitation Commission. During this period, however, the Commission started data collection and map collection related to districts, Tehsil, Patwar, Halkas. The Chief Electoral Officer of Jammu and Kashmir provided all the details of Census 2011, which has also been collected from Registrar General of India. The Commission also invited associate members because this Commission, besides our chairperson and 2 members, has got 5 associate members also. And the Commission also invited associate members for a meeting in February 2021, which was participated by 2 members only. Meanwhile, series of interaction happened with the Deputy Commissioner after going through the data and input provided by the DOs, DCs. Some important issues related to the existing administrative matters have been noticed. During this visit, the Commission has been provided more feedback. Some of these are, which I would like to share with media, that in 1995, which has gone up to 20 now. At that time when the last delimitation was done, it was only 12 districts, and now the number of districts have gone to 20. Number of tehsils have gone up from 58 to 270. In 12 districts, constituency boundaries are extended beyond district's limit. 88 tehsils are distributed in more than one AC. So there is an overlapping of the districts as well as the tehsils in the constituencies. Even some Patwari circles are also distributed in more than one AC. Even one village revenue, village is also divided in more than one AC.